Peace and wellness, fam. Hopefully you're having a beautiful day, manifesting the innate gifts that are from within. We're touching on the divine energies of the male and female human organism. The divine femininity of the biological, anatomically born, physiologically born female, as well as the male of the human species. These energies, when in alignment with one another, when vibrating at higher frequency levels, meaning vibrating in love, in peace, in empathy, in compassion, these energies are the most important energies on the planet. This is what is necessary to produce a civil society. Until we break and develop the ability to cultivate a higher vibrational being and energies within the male and female of the human species, we will continue to get what we're getting. A highly technological society with human beings that are basically morally corrupt and decadent in our behavior one to another. Let's elevate and produce peace.